plane through a given point. Now, to find the equation of a plane through a given point and perpendicular to a given vector. Now, I have drawn a figure here. Now, let's move according to the figure. Now, let point O be the origin, this is point O, let this point O be the origin, let A be the given point, whose position vector I have already written here, this is small a, whose position vector is vector A. Now, let vector n be the normal to the plane and lastly we are having and let vector r be the position vector of any arbitrary point of any arbitrary point, say P. Now, we are having A, any point, A is the given point, P be the any point, position vector A, position vector R and normal to the plane. Now, point P will be on the plane if vector AP is perpendicular to vector AP is perpendicular to vector n, or vector AP dot vector n is equal to 0. Now, vector AP is what? Position vector of P minus position vector of A dot vector n is equal to 0, or this implies vector R minus vector A dot vector n is equal to 0. Now, hence required equation of a plane in the vector form passing through A and perpendicular to the direction of vector n is vector R minus vector A dot vector n is equal to 0, or we can write it vector R dot vector n is equal to vector A dot vector n. Proved.